Is quartz a natural stone?
Huh?
No.
Okay, correct.
Okay.
Okay, go back. Q again.
Thanks.
Can scissor stone be damaged by heat? Wrong. Wrong. Can aluminium kitchen be used for outdoor?
Can.
Yes, correct. Quartz a good company.
Yes.
Are you sure about that?
Does Southstone offer matte finishes?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Is quartz suitable for outdoor use?
Outdoor use, definitely.
Yes.
No. Does AmpQuartz provide warranty for their countertops?
No. Betul ke? No. Yes.
Yes, correct. Is quartz better than granite?
Yes.
Why?
Stronger, more long lasting.
More lasting. Okay. Other question for him.
I got no angpao.
Who is AmpQuartz clients?
AmpQuartz client. We are the squad client. Client.
Tell me about AmpQuartz clients.
They are the best. They're richest. They are the nicest person I ever met.
Correct.
Yeah.
Where does that tongue comes from? Which country?
Germany.
Wrong. Next. Where is AmpQuartz showroom located?
Taman Gaya.
Correct.
82 Jalan Gaya 1, Taman Gaya.
Okay.